If you're thinking of trying customer research, Elsa AI, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in, especially if you want to save time, avoid beginner mistakes, and get the most out of this powerful new AI. This just released AI software is designed to give you instant customer insights, but there are a few surprises most people don't find out until later. Stick around, because the last tip could save you hours of wasted research. And by the way, you can try Elsa AI completely free. From the first link in the description below, no credit card. Just plug in your idea and watch the data come to life. Now here's what most people miss. Elsa AI isn't just another chatbot or writing tool, it's a research assistant that analyzes your target market in real time. Whether you're building a new product, launching a course, or optimizing a landing page, it pulls live data from forums, reviews, and communities to help you understand exactly what your customers are thinking. One of the best things? You don't need to know what to ask. Elsa comes with smart prompts that guide your thinking. So even if you're not a market research expert, it feels like you are. You just input your niche or product idea, and it starts pulling emotional pain points, common objections, desires, even purchase triggers, all organized in a visual dashboard. Unlike most tools, customer research by Elsa AI doesn't rely on stale survey data. It scrapes real-time conversations from Reddit, Quora, Amazon, YouTube comments, and more. That means your insights are always fresh, not months out of date. I've tested a ton of these tools, and what stands out here is how it connects the dots. It doesn't just give you raw data, it tells you what it means. For example, instead of showing you 50 people mention price, it might say, your target market sees this as an expensive long-term investment, which means trust and guarantees are more important than discounts. You can also export your insights into reports, slides, or Notion documents, ready to share with your team or use in a pitch deck. That makes it insanely useful for founders, marketers, and even freelance copywriters looking to level up their messaging fast. One thing to keep in mind, right now, some of the deeper analysis features are only available on paid plans, but the free version still gives you enough data to validate an idea or craft your first few marketing angles. And because this is such a new release, they're rolling out updates fast. So expect more AI summarization, deeper competitor analysis, and integrations with tools like Figma and HubSpot coming soon. If you're serious about understanding your customers and you've struggled with generic AI tools, customer research, Elsa AI, could be a game changer. And if you want to shortcut months of trial and error, the link below gives you free access to test it out for yourself. I've tested over 1,000 AI tools across every niche, and I've listed my top recommended ones in the description below. They're all free to try, and they actually help you get results, not just more fluff. Try Elsa AI, explore the others, and you'll see just how powerful AI-driven customer research can really be.